But locally as well, I think there's going to be some things that we're going to talk about. And I want to first just start off by talking about a few things that I think that I can count to or point to as accomplishments. First is working with our veterans over the last several years to try to bring veterans health care closer to them. Our veterans in this area have been trying for more than a decade to get a community-based outpatient clinic established here in the North Puget Sound. And last year, or earlier this year, the VA put a mobile clinic at Skagit Valley Hospital. But on Tuesday, the VA opened up a temporary but fixed facility on the campus of Edina General in Cedar Woolley, a 2,500 square foot facility. And that was the next step to the permanent facility, which will be up to 15,000 square foot facility in the Mount Vernon area to serve our veterans as primary health care services, some mental health services, and a limited amount of specialty care services. And that wouldn't have happened certainly without the work of Patty Murray and people in my office, but honestly, it would not have happened without the advocacy of the veterans community here in the North Puget Sound area, and they deserve a great hand for helping to make that happen. On veterans, we're not done, because if you read the Bellingham Herald, you know on Sunday, you know that Senator Cantwell and I are trying to get this bill passed called the GI Bill for Life. I don't know that we'll be totally successful in doing that, but we are taking an important step with the GI Bill for the 21st century to extend from 10 years to 15 years the amount of time that veterans will have to access their education benefits, as well as increasing the amount of that benefit for veterans. We're getting a lot of resistance from people like President Bush and others on that bill, but we think it's an obligation that we have. The economy has changed since 1944 when we passed the first GI Bill. It's changed quite a bit, and we believe that our veterans who are especially coming back from Iraq and Afghanistan deserve that kind of extra help to provide them extra time to get the education that they need to be continue to be productive members of our economy and productive members of our community. So we're not done on veterans issues. Another